Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, continuing with our sign listings here today. This is a beautiful 26-inch Sunrise Beverages sign. As you can see, it's embossed around, give it that frame tin look. You don't see a lot of these around. This is great. Again, this is coming from the San Jose collection. Everything the guy had was primo, so this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the